Hi, I'm Johnny with Happy Valley Ranch. Today we're going to install a wheel kit on an American Harvester Cider Press. When you get your kit, it will, we send them out in Ziploc bags like this right here. It has all your bolts, washers, carter keys, and all the hardware you need to install it. You'll have instructions. Please understand that this same kit is for multiple presses, actually 3 different presses. But if you'll go by the instructions, you won't have any trouble. In your kit, you will have plates like this right here. There'll be 2 of them. You'll see the way this is made on your American Harvester. You'll have, on all your presses, you'll have 4 3/8 by 4-inch carriage bolts. On your American Harvesters, there's 2 holes down on the bottom of each leg. That's where these 3/8 carriage bolts go. Always keep this point up, and on the inside of the leg, and it will go through the first set of holes. They will be 4 of the 3/8 washers. You'll put a washer on each one of your carriage bolts. There's also 4 3/8 hex nuts. You'll have one on each side. Application's the same for either side. Keep your point up. Your 3/8 washers. Your 3/8 hex nuts. And tighten down using a 9/16 socket, end wrench, whichever you prefer. Next, we're going to install the wheels, the axle and the wheels. You'll have an axle like this. Take 2 of your 3/4 washers, slide them on like this. Your wheels, you want the long side out. It'll be just like this. You'll take 2 more washers on this side of the wheel, install it. It'll look something like this. You'll take another 3/4 washer and a carter key. And this carter key will go in the second hole. Now take your next wheel, long side out, 2 washers, slide it into your groove on your other plate, washer, carter key into the second hole. You don't drop it like I do. This system is set up for different applications, so you'll get more parts than you need. On this one, you should have 2 carter keys left over. Slide your wheels all the way to the plate. Split the difference on these 2. Install your Carter key in that next hole. Bend your Carter keys where they won't come out, and you are installed your wheels. Now the handles, which you will receive with each wheel kit, will look like this. It's a long bolt with washers. It's a 5/16 bolts with 1/4-inch washers. We already put the handles on them. Okay, in the opposite end of the press, there's pre-drill holes. This 5/16 bolt will go in there. Your washer. That is your installation. Now, on these plates, you will notice how these slots are. If you want to roll this around, you can pick this up and then this will actually tilt, and this axle will fall right into that spot right there. It will allow you to roll it anywhere you want to roll it. And that's it.